So guys, I've got to show you this. I took a regular garden sprayer and I had a gallon of swimming pool chlorine. Bought it at Walmart. I think it's with tax about $5. And I mixed it in that sprayer 50-50 and started spraying on my fence. Now this is before and after, or during, I guess, to show you the results I was getting. Here's another picture of it. And I was just absolutely shocked and amazed at what it would do. And I continued to spray it, and then this is the finished product. The fence was 9 years old, and it looks pretty much brand new. Um, we'll see if it does anything to the grass. If it does, it's no big deal because it's right along the fence line, and I weed eat along that anyway. But had to show you this. $30 and pretty much a new fence.